the real beauty of Pakistan, Sialkot. We are here in the Sialkot now, and it's Sialkot City Housing Society. And you can see today is the opening ceremony of the biggest Pakistan water fountain dancing platform, which is here. And you can see the preparations. There are so many singers and actors are coming today tonight to make this show memorable. You can see the security, the all ways to entrance of this platform is still closed for the public. Maybe after 1 hour the all places will be open and public can also easily enjoy the moments. The VIPs are coming, families are coming with the